Hey, this is Tariq. Today I am talking about Microsoft Excel, which is most popular spreadsheet software in the world. As you can see in this screen, today we will calculate present value and future value in Microsoft Excel. At first, we will calculate present value. For this, the given info: future value 13,000, number of period 5, interest rate 9%. Then we can easily calculate present value. For this, we can enter the formula of present value equal PV. That means present value, bracket start, then we insert rate, interest rate 9%, then comma, number of period 5, comma, payment is not here. Then future value, we can enter minus before inserting the future value because it is the cash outflow, so we can insert minus future value, and then we insert the type. Here we can enter 0 if it end of the period, and we can enter 1 if it beginning of the period. Here we can enter 0 because it end of the period. Then bracket close and enter. Here we got our present value $8,449.11. Then we will calculate future value. The given info present value is 8,449.11 that we collect our previous math. Number of period 5, interest rate 9%, and then we can calculate future value. At first, we insert the formula of future value FV, then start the bracket, then we enter interest rate 9%, comma, number of period 5, payment is not here. Then future value, we can use future value because it is cash outflow. Then enter 0 because it end of the period. Then bracket close, entered. Then we can easily calculate future value. We got our future value 13,000. This is the simple way to calculate present value and future value in Microsoft Excel. So that's all for today. See you our next tutorial. Assalamu alaikum.